Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey there, Voyagers, and welcome back to Bali. Bali, known for its picturesque beaches and vibrant culture, continues to be a coveted destination for travelers seeking a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Among its many alluring coastal gems, Sanur Beach stands out as a tranquil haven, offering a unique and captivating experience to visitors in 2023. Situated on the southeastern coast of Bali, Sanur Beach boasts a serene atmosphere ingrained in its very essence. Unlike some of the more bustling beaches on the island, Sanur exudes a sense of calm and quietude that is cherished by those seeking respite from the demands of everyday life. The coastline is found along the Indian Ocean, with its gently rolling waves lapping at the shore, creating a soothing melody that lulls beachgoers into a state of peaceful contemplation. The sands, a soft golden hue, invite visitors to relax and unwind, providing the perfect canvas for sunbathing, beachcombing, or simply taking a leisurely stroll. Sanur's charm lies in its remarkable ability to seamlessly blend the preservation of its natural beauty with the provision of modern amenities, catering to the diverse needs of its cherished guests. Along the beachfront, a delightful tapestry of quaint cafes, enchanting boutique shops, and resorts forms an inviting tableau, each establishment exuding its own distinctive allure. These establishments are not just places of commerce, but rather they're oases of charm and character, beckoning visitors to linger and absorb the unique ambiance. In this coastal haven, culinary delights abound, offering a symphony of flavors that transcend borders. Here, one can indulge in a gastronomic journey that celebrates both local Balinese specialties and an array of international cuisines. What sets Sanur apart is the absence of pretentiousness, often found in more commercialized areas. The dining experiences here are infused with a genuine warmth and authenticity, creating an atmosphere where every meal is a delightful exploration of taste and culture. The cafes, with their rustic wooden furniture and dappled sunlight streaming through lush foliage, invite patrons to linger over a cup of freshly brewed coffee or a delectable pastry. The boutique shops, each a treasure trove of handmade crafts and artisanal creations, offer a shopping experience that is as unique as the items they house. As visitors meander through these charming establishments, they're transported to a world where time seems to slow, allowing for a deeper connection with the surroundings. The resorts, nestled harmoniously into the coastal landscape, offer a sanctuary of comfort and tranquility. With their thoughtfully designed spaces and attentive service, they provide a haven for weary travelers to rejuvenate and unwind. From the moment one steps through the threshold, a sense of serenity washes over, enveloping guests in an embrace of relaxation and luxury. In essence, Sanur's allure lies not only in its natural splendor, but also in its ability to curate an experience that resonates with the soul. It is a place where modernity and tradition coexist in perfect harmony, where every corner reveals a new facet of its captivating charm. For those seeking a destination that transcends the ordinary, Sanur Beach in Bali stands as an extraordinary testament to the power of preserving the inherent beauty of a place while offering the comforts of the modern world. For those seeking a more active experience, Sanur Beach offers an array of water sports and recreational activities. From snorkeling in the crystal clear waters to paddleboarding or even trying your hand at windsurfing, there's no shortage of options for the adventurous spirit. The reef, found just off the coast, provides an underwater world of wonder, teeming with vibrant marine life and coral formations, making it a must-see for any diving enthusiast. One of the most captivating facets of Sanur Beach is its profound connection to a rich cultural heritage that is woven into the very fabric of its surroundings. A mere stone's throw away lies the charming village of Sanur, a place where time seems to stand still. The narrow, winding streets of this village lead visitors on a journey through a living tapestry of traditional Balinese homes, their facades adorned with intricately carved doors and vibrant, meticulously arranged offerings. each step through this enchanting village as a step back in time where ancient traditions are preserved and honored with a sense of reverence. The craftsmanship that adorns the homes and the intricate details etched into the doors are a testament to the skill and dedication of generations of artisans. It is a living testament to the artistry that has been passed down through the ages, a visual symphony of cultural expression. Yet, it is not only the architecture and the craftsmanship that breathe life into this village. It is the people, the heartbeat of Sanur, who truly make it come alive. The locals, with their radiant smiles and warm, welcoming gestures, embody the very essence of Balinese hospitality. They extend their arms wide, inviting visitors into their world with an openness and sincerity that is both humbling and heartwarming. In Sanur village, interactions transcend the superficial and become moments of genuine connection. Conversations flow like a gentle stream, carrying with them stories, traditions, and a shared appreciation for the beauty that surrounds them. Visitors have the privilege of not merely observing, but actively participating in the ebb and flow of daily life, gaining insights into a culture that is as profound as it is vibrant. In this village, time slows, allowing for a deeper immersion into the heart of Balinese culture. It is a place where every corner holds a story, where every encounter leaves an indelible mark on the soul. To step into Sanur village is to step into a living, breathing testament to the enduring spirit of a people and their cherished traditions. In 2023, Sanur Beach continues to be a sanctuary for those seeking a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Unlike other popular tourist destinations, it has managed to retain its sense of authenticity and charm, making it a haven for travelers seeking a more intimate and enriching experience. As the sun sets over the horizon, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, the atmosphere at Sanur Beach takes on a magical quality. The gentle sea breeze carries with it the scent of saltwater and frangipani, creating an unforgettable sensory experience. Whether you choose to unwind on the beach, explore the vibrant local markets, or indulge in a traditional Balinese spa treatment, each moment at Sanur Beach leaves an indelible mark on the soul. In conclusion, Sanur Beach in Bali 2023 stands as a testament to the enduring allure of this Indonesian paradise. Its tranquil shores and ingrained sense of serenity offer a reprieve from the chaos of the modern world. With its blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern comforts, Sanur Beach promises an unforgettable experience for those fortunate enough to find their way to its shores. For travelers seeking an authentic and enriching escape, Sanur Beach is more than a destination. It is a sanctuary for the soul. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.